welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here or this is your first time, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada, or you can call me Ada in English. Just stop what you're doing right now. Just stop. Just pause and click that little button right there and subscribe to my channel so that you can get to know me better. You can get to know more about my hair and yeah, become part of the vecina family. For now, we'll just call you a prima. You're just a cousin to us. You know, you just got here. But the OGs are my vecinas. And you know, you'll become a vecina later on. But anyways, this video is probably gonna be long, so let's go ahead and dive into this video. Of course, you guys know I love to chat, so I gotta give you a little background story first, and then I gotta bring you up to date. So by the title of this video, you guys already know that this video is going to be all about Devacurl and their products. I have been using Devacurl products since 2010. That's what, 7-8 years now? A long time. They were a huge part of my transition journey, and I feel like Devacurl products are great for transitioners because they have like a system, and when you're transitioning, there's so much information and so many things happening, and you're just like overwhelmed by the whole transitioning process, that having a system that you can rely on when it comes to your curly hair products is crucial. And if you guys want me to go in depth about this, I'm definitely planning to do a transitioners beginners natural hair journey that's going to be very simple and very easy for my girls who are having a hard time becoming natural, because there's so much information on the market at the moment. It's so overwhelming. It's even overwhelming for me, and I've been natural my whole life. Anyways, Devacurl has a system and it's just very easy to use, so I think it's very curly girl friendly, and I feel like that's really the hype behind the products, that they're so easy to use and curly girl friendly. I've been using the products since 2010. Obviously, since that time, they definitely have rebranded. There's new names, there's new products, there's old products that they changed the name to. There's a lot going on. I don't know all of the details about what products they've kept or got rid of or rebranded. I know a little bit about, so I'll just share with you what I know. So basically, the products that I used to use back in the day were called Devacurl, as you can see here, and now they are called Devacurl. So they changed the name, and along with that also came some changes of products. So my favorite products to use back then were their one conditioner, the No Fade No Poo for curly hair. I knew it. This is not the one. This is not the one. Oh goodness. My favorite product back then was the one conditioner No Fade. It was this exact same product, but it was for color treated hair, so it had a little bit more moisture in it. Absolutely loved it. I would use it as a leave-in all the time, and it would give me the absolute best results when I combined it with any other styler. Like, my absolute favorite product. I really wish that they would bring that product back. It was so good. It was so good. And that product is discontinued now. So is this one, the one condition. But I really wish they would bring the No Fade back, the No Fade one condition, because it was so creamy. It was so moisturizing. But yeah, that product was definitely my baby. And then I used Archangel a lot, but I wasn't too crazy about the formula back then. I don't know if they changed the formula, or maybe like since I was transitioning I didn't like it, but now that I have full curls, like, I like it more, because I kind of stopped using it even after my hair fully transitioned. Like, it only gave me amazing results when I was in the salon, and you know, when you're transitioning and you get your hair done at the salon, it just looks so good when you're transitioning. When you have your curly hair routine established, your wash and go, and you go to the salon to get it done, it doesn't always come out the way that you like it, but when you're transitioning, it looks good. So it's been a while since I've used their entire product line and their products together to cocktail, just because as a curly blogger, I get so many products in to try, and I'm always wanting to try the newest products for you guys to be able to review them, which is what this entire video is about. So I'm revisiting the line, I'm checking out the new stuff. This wash and go is going to be done with a few of my favorites. So really quickly, let's talk about the products that I have. Last week I had the opportunity to do a Facebook Live with Devacurl. It's on the Facebook page. I'll link it in the description below if you guys want to watch it. It was all about quitting shampoo and using, you know, their no poo products that don't have any sulfates, silicones, parabens, all of that. All of those things. I was in the headquarters and they were like, do you need anything? And I was like, actually, I would love to try the newer products that you have, because I've always stuck to like the things that work for me, but I know that they launched a few new products that I hadn't had a chance to try because I've been so busy trying other stuff. So I'm like, this is the perfect opportunity for me to check out the new stuff, review it, upload it. Let's talk Devacurl. So I'll kind of give you guys a haul of the things that I picked up, and then we're gonna go ahead and jump into this wash and go. If you just care about the wash and go, I'll put a timestamp right here when I actually start the wash and go, so you can just watch that part. But if you want to know more about the products that they have, get yourself a snack and let's chat. So obviously the first product that I was like, I need is my super cream, aka super crack. This is probably top 3 of my favorite Devacurl products. I absolutely love it. If you have 3 ABC texture, you are going to love this product. For a while, I didn't feel like all of Devacurl's products were the best products for me to use because of my specific texture. So I feel like once they launched this super cream, I was like, yes, they finally made a product that is like perfect for my texture. And I just love this product so much. It's definitely a one and done product. You can use this product by itself and you get great results. You can cocktail it with your other favorite products and get great results. And obviously you can use it with other Devacurl products and you get great results. Yeah, I love this super cream. I just wish it came in like a big old bottle with a pump. And the only thing that I dislike about all of Devacurl products is that they are kind of pricey. You definitely are gonna pay a little bit more for their products, but I feel like there's some products that are definitely worth it and some products that you can probably skip out on. So let me know if you would like me to do another video discussing their products. But if you had to pick only one Devacurl product and you have my hair texture, get super cream. Get super cream. I just wanted to mention that one first because it's bae. Next we have their Decadence No Poo shampoo and conditioner. Decadence is made for a curlier hair pattern. They also have shampoos and conditioners that cater to a wavy curl pattern or a looser curl. If you have 3 ABC hair and on, you need as much moisture as you can get. So Decadence is definitely going to be the shampoo and conditioner that you want to get. These products don't have any parabens, silicones, or sulfates. So this is a zero lather cleanser. So it's not going to lather when you wash your hair. It's just a cleanser. And can I just make the remark that it's been a while since I've used products that don't have any silicones. So it was actually a little weird for me because yes, oh my God, I use silicones. I sure do. My hair likes product with silicones. That's another video. We can talk about that in another video. So it had been a while since I haven't used products with silicones. So I was like, oh my God, why doesn't my hair have that slip that I love? And it's because these products don't have silicones. We can talk about that in another video. Let me know if you're curious to learn more about silicones and why my hair loves them, because I would love to do a video on that, because I feel like it's such a battle in the curly community. People act like if you use silicones, like you're gonna die tomorrow. No, girl. Like I've been using silicones like for a long time, and every time my hair looks good, you guys always ask me what products I have in it. Most likely it's product that has silicone in it. My hair loves silicones, you know. Next up we have the Devacurl Archangel Gel. It's a maximum hold gel without crunch. And so that's stuff that I've used in the past. This stuff that I'm about to show you is all new stuff that I've never used before. I feel like the entire line that has like the pink is stuff that I've never used before. I don't know if it was around before and I just never paid attention to it because I'm like, that stuff's not going to work in my hair. Or maybe they just repackaged it and I'm like, oh, what is this? Is it new? I don't know. You tell me. So this is the Curl Maker. It's a curl boosting spray gel. It's going to give you texture and volume. And yeah, it's just a gel that you spray on. So this is probably going to be really good for refreshing the hair. Then we have the Devacurl No Comb Detangling Spray. It's a lightweight curl tamer. It's to refresh and extend the hair. And as you can see, it's very liquidy, whereas this is definitely thicker because it's a gel. So these products are probably going to be really good for refreshing the hair the next day. And then next up, we have the Be Leave-In Miracle Curl Plumper. This is for texture and volume. I did use this the other day. I'm still playing around with it. I might do another video kind of using these products. Well, I'm going to do another video using all these newer products and give you the 411 on that. And then we have the Frizz-Free Volumizing Foam. I love foam mousses. My absolute favorite one in the whole wide world is from Design Essentials. Their curl enhancing mousse is my absolute favorite. So I'm really curious to try this Devacurl one, and I will definitely keep you guys updated on my thoughts on this. And then last but not least is their Beautiful Mess Curl Sculpting Pomade. I recently met Aisha, and she's a curly girl too, but she has more of a looser curl. She's from Alaska. She's super nice, such a sweetheart. Me and her did the Devacurl live together, and she said that this was one of her favorite products and secret weapons because she actually uses this to refresh her hair. So she'll take a little bit of it and she'll run it through like a frizzy curl, and it just kind of takes out the frizz and refreshes the hair. And I kind of tried it not too long ago and I was like, oh my God, this is genius. Like, she is so smart. So she says she just runs the product through the hair like this. I mean, it's really genius. And it's not sticky or anything. It's like a little watery. Then she says she just scrunches the hair. And then it just curls back up and removes the frizz. So I thought that was kind of genius. So those are all the new Devacurl products. I'm definitely going to have to do a part 2 to this video, trying out those products and letting you guys know what I think about it. For now, let's go ahead and jump into this wash and go, and I'll show you guys what products I used today to create this look. Let's go. To begin, we are going to start off with freshly washed hair. I know, my hair is hella long. A lot of you guys have been asking me what have I been using to grow my hair, and girl, nothing. This hair has been growing like a weed, and I really don't have an answer why. I'm not complaining though. So when you use Devacurl products, you always want to apply them to soaking wet hair so that you can get the absolute best results. I know this product is discontinued and they don't have it anymore, so just feel free to go ahead and use Devacurl's One Condition Decadence. Leave a tiny little bit of that in your hair and then apply the stylers. If you don't have the Decadence, girl, don't worry about it. Just apply the stylers and you're good to go. Rico, stop making noise. I'm trying to film this dark. Please excuse my dog Rico in the background making all that noise. He's being so extra today. I just can't even. Like, come on. I'm trying to record this voiceover. Okay. Anyways, next we are going to apply Devacurl's Super Cream. This is a rich coconut oil infused styler. It's going to smooth, soften, shape, lengthen, moisturize, define, and control your curls. It also is said to boost volume. It's great for twist out. It's great to tame frizz. It adds shines. And yeah, it really does it all. I love this product. This is definitely a one and done product for me. I could just use this and my hair, I know, will look popping. But I always like to typically apply a gel on top just so I can get longer hair days. But like I said, if there's only one product that you can afford from Devacurl, girl, you better run and get you some Super Cream. You guys know that I like to layer my products, so I'm going to use Devacurl's Archangel Gel on top of the Super Cream. This is a non-drying gel that gives you maximum curl control, added moisture, and long-lasting frizz-free definition without the crunch. This product is a little tricky on my 3B, 3C curls. I feel like I'm still trying to figure it out. I don't know. Like, I love it in the beginning, and then I'm like, I don't really like how my hair looks. So what I mean by that is, when I apply the gel in my hair, I love the definition that it gives me. When my hair dries, all I have to do is scrunch out the cast, and I'm left with very beautiful frizz-free defined curls. But then towards the end of day 2, on day 3, on day 4, if I even get there, my hair just feels dry to the touch, and it looks dry too, and I have more frizz. So I really don't know why it's doing this. I don't know if maybe it doesn't mix well with Super Cream. I really don't know, and I don't understand. I know when I use Super Cream on its own, I get great results. I know when I use it with other gels that I love, I get great results. So I just don't know why I have like this feeling of dryness when I use this gel. I know Devacurl has an ultra defining gel that defines and controls the hair. So I'm also going to try this same combination with the ultra defining gel and see if I like those results better than with the Archangel gel. They have a bunch of gels, but I just figured that these two would probably work best for my hair. So I'm definitely going to have to try that ultra defining one. After you have applied your product, you want to go ahead and scrunch the hair to create more definition, and then you want to take a microfiber towel. This one is actually from Devacurl, and you want to soak up the excess water in your hair. Feel free to flip your hair forward to create a little bit more volume, and then after this, do not touch your hair so that you don't create any frizz. You are more than welcome to air dry or diffuse your hair. For the sake of time in this video, I did diffuse my hair. You guys know that I generally prefer to air dry if I do have the time. For the most part, when I film my videos, I'm always on a time crunch, so I tend to diffuse my hair, but I prefer air drying. These are the final results of my wash and go. What do you guys think? It was definitely nostalgic for me doing my hair with these products because, like I said, Devacurl was a brand that I heavily used when I was transitioning. Once my hair got back to its natural state, I definitely started experimenting and trying different products. So I feel like this is almost like a full circle moment where I'm coming back to Devacurl and I'm actually using all of their products at the same time, because I still use their products, but I will use like the super cream with another gel from another brand. This is the first time in a long time that I can say that I actually used all Devacurl for this wash and go. Please let me know if you would be interested in watching more wash and goes that featured one brand only, because you know in my other curly cocktails I do love to mix products from different brands together. If I have a product from one brand that I really love, I'm always going to be curious to know how that product is going to work with another product from a different brand that I love. So that's why I do those curly cocktails. Let me know how you guys feel about maybe watching curly cocktails that featured one brand. So one brand wash and goes. Is that cool? Let me know. Comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.